Hello and welcome to our Fascial Fix for neck pain. Lots of people suffer from neck pain and there can be many different reasons, but one of the most common reasons is using tech. So it could be computers, laptops, mobile phones, tablets, any kind of devices where you are looking down for prolonged periods of time. In this video, we're going to share some exercises that can help to alleviate some of the restrictions that may have formed in your fascia and may be contributing to your neck pain. In this exercise, we're going to do a stretch for the side of your neck. To do this, make sure that your arms and your shoulders are nice and heavy and relaxed. And then you're just going to tip your head to the right side so that your right ear comes towards your shoulder. When you do this at home, it's a good idea to start by doing this looking in a mirror, because quite often people start to lift their shoulder up as they do this exercise, in which case you lose the benefit of the stretch. So making sure that your shoulders stay nice and heavy and relaxed throughout this stretch. And so only go as far as feels comfortable for you. If you start to feel pain or discomfort in your neck or your shoulder or your jaw, then just ease back out of the stretch a little bit. The idea is to allow time for the tissues to release and let go. And as you do this stretch, you may feel it more in your jaw or in your ear, maybe in your neck or even in your shoulder or your arm. Wherever you're feeling it, it's absolutely fine. Just allow time for things to release and let go. If you feel you would like a deeper stretch, then bring your right arm up and place it on your head. So it's not pulling your head, it's just allowing the weight of your arm to create a slightly deeper stretch. And as long as you're here for at least a couple of minutes, then the tissues will start to release and let go. Then coming out of the stretch, just give your shoulders a little roll, just to loosen and assimilate the stretch. And then we're going to do the other side. So bringing your left ear over towards your left shoulder, making sure that your shoulders stay nice and heavy and relaxed. And just allowing time for the tissues to release and let go. And wherever you feel this stretch, that's fine for you. The longer you do the stretch, the more it will start to spread throughout your body. And in order to create a deeper stretch, you can bring your left hand up, place it on your head, not pulling, just allowing the weight of your arm to create a slightly deeper stretch. And again, be here for a couple of minutes to allow time for the tissues, the muscles and the fascia to start to let go. In this exercise, we're going to do a stretch for the neck. So for this exercise, just allow your head to tip forwards, so your nose is pointing down towards your chest. And then turn your head so your nose is pointing towards your right armpit. And just allow your head to be heavy. The weight of your head will create a stretch that you may start to feel in the back of your neck, particularly on the left side, which may stretch down into the top of your left shoulder. So wherever you're feeling the stretch is fine, that's right for you. This helps to relax your shoulders and create more space around your neck, your head, your jaw. As you're here, if you feel that you'd like a deeper stretch, then bring your right hand up and just place it on the top of your head. So you're not pulling, you're not forcing the stretch, you're just allowing the weight of your arm to create a slightly deeper stretch. And as long as you're here for at least a couple of minutes, then the fascia, the muscles will start to release and let go. And then coming out of the stretch, you can give your shoulders a little roll just to help assimilate that stretch. And then we can do the same for the other side. So again, dropping your head down so your nose is pointing down towards your chest. And this time turn your head so it's facing towards your left armpit. Just allow your head to be nice and heavy. Just waiting for a sense of things starting to release and let go. And in particular, you'll feel it down the back of the right side of your neck and into your right shoulder. And just letting things be heavy and relaxed. Remembering it takes a couple of minutes for fascia to start to release and let go. And if you'd like a deeper stretch, then you can bring your left hand up and just place it on your head. Not pulling, just allowing the weight of your arm to create a slightly deeper stretch into the back of your neck and your shoulder. And then from here we come out of the stretch and just give your shoulders a little roll again. In this exercise, I'm going to use one myofascial ball on the side of my neck. I'm going to place it on the side of my neck, just under my ear, and then I'm going to lie on this on my side. So when you're here, in order to feel an actual pressure from the ball, make sure that you pull your shoulder forwards. And this just means that your neck can rest on the ball. And just allow time for your body to start to relax around the ball. The area on the side of your neck can get very tight. There are nerves here which go down into your arms, and these can get tight and start to cause problems in your arm. And equally, tightness in the side of your neck here can cause problems in terms of jaw pain and headaches. So it's a good area to release, and by lying here for at least a couple of minutes, it's allowing time for the fascia to release and let go. If you find that lying on the floor is too difficult for you, then you can also do this exercise on your bed. And just allowing your body to relax around the ball and get a sense of the tissues starting to soften as you do so. And once you've been here for at least a couple of minutes, then you can do the same thing on the other side. So again, as you lie here, pull your shoulder forwards so your arm is out of the way, and that you get a sense of your neck being able to relax onto the ball. Make sure that your body feels comfortable, and whether you're on the floor or on your bed, that you can just relax around the ball. As long as you're here for at least a couple of minutes, then the tissues will be starting to release and let go. Sometimes you may feel sensations that may go down into your arm or up into your head and your jaw. So whatever you're feeling is fine, that's right for you. Just allowing time for the tissues to release, relax, and let go. So staying here for a couple of minutes allows time for the fascia and the soft tissues to start to release. And you may notice changes, sensations that come and go, and that's all fine. That's all part of the process of your tissues releasing.